And welcome. For those of you who have been following me on my channel regarding the issues of my GT Pro electric scooter, I was having an issue with the bicycle just taking off on itself while pushing it should the power be on, because there is a magnetic counter in next to the sprocket. About 4 revolutions and that thing is just going to take off. It's very dangerous. And the reason why this happens is because I believe the chain was too loose. Now, ordinarily, yes, you can just move the whole motor back and that would fix the problem, but then that would cause another problem on my hydraulic brake alignment. So I just did not want to have to touch it. So I incorporated this 5 millimeter thick aluminum bracket here and merely took off the bolts and re-drilled 8 millimeter holes and bought an additional uh, aftermarket bracket for, I don't know, 10 speed. And I bought this AliExpress chain tensioner. And so it solved two problems. It brought the slack out of the chain. Now, naturally, you're supposed to have some slack in the chain. That's normal, but not the kind of slack where it's going to cause the chain to fall off should you hit a pothole or something like that. I was getting like an inch and a half slop in the chain. That's just way too much. And that slop was also causing the chain to move, the sprocket to move, and thus the computer was counting those magnets. 4 revolutions of the wheel, power on, that bike is going to take off on itself. So the idea here is to get that slack out, and I engineered it. This is adjustable, so you can put the amount of tension that you want on this spring, and it works really nice. That noise that you're hearing is the chain guard. I haven't tightened it yet. I had to take it off, but so smooth. And I put my own 301 stainless steel saddle on there so the chain won't fall off, and that's really strong as opposed to this cheap aluminum one they gave. I noticed somebody else on AliExpress did the same thing, but this one is so strong and it's not going anywhere. So now, did I solve my problem? So if I move the wheel, notice the chain doesn't move. Yay! And now I fixed my safety issue. That's a win, guys. That's a win. Thanks for watching.